Hello everybody, I'm Veronica Zillion and I'm going to show you today how to wrap the perfect gift. Have you ever been invited to a wedding or maybe a birthday and you have the perfect gift but it's that you're very scared to wrap it or you don't know how to wrap it? Well, I'm going to show you today the perfect way to wrap a gift without having to pay department store prices for them to wrap it for you. Yay. Okay, so first you get your gift, which would be in a box like this. What I would suggest is if the gift is odd shaped or clothing or something like that, is for you to get a box to put it in and tape it up. That way it's a lot easier to wrap, because if you have something that's very odd shaped, it could get very difficult. And if it's clothing, it could tear and, by handling it. So definitely get a box and put it in there. What I've done, so you'll need the box and the gift, of course. You'll also need tape, so you can use that, tape your gift up, and also to tape your box up so that way it doesn't come open. You're also going to need scissors, so you can cut the paper that you're using for your gift, and also you're going to need wrapping paper. You can use any type of wrapping paper. I have blue plain wrapping paper for this project. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to take your box, and what you'll do is you'll go ahead and take your box and your wrapping paper, and you'll lay your wrapping paper out, and you'll lay that out in the way, the length of the box. You'll measure it kind of like this, so that way you have a little bit on the side. You'll make sure you have a little bit on this side, and then you'll just cut it all the way up. And this part of the project doesn't have to be perfect, so you don't have to have a perfect cut. I'd go all the way up to maybe midway, halfway up the paper, so that way you have enough that's going to fold over the box. Go ahead and cut that. There we go. You can get rid of the excess. So now you have a rectangle square part of your paper. You're going to set your box in it. What I would like to do is to go ahead and get the piece of tape out and ready, because it can be very frustrating when you're trying to wrap the gift and don't have pieces of tape already out. So let's go ahead and get that. Go ahead and get this open real quick, fold up. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut a couple of pieces and stick it on my table. That way it's easy to get the tape when you need it and not have to sit here and go through it while you're trying to hold the paper while you're wrapping it. So what I'll do is I'll start off taking the paper and folding it this way. I'll try to get it as close to the edge as possible, but not over the edge. And go ahead and take a piece of tape and stick it there. And then I'm going to wrap this part, pull it really tight over this way, stick a piece of tape there, and then I'm going to take it and fold this part down while we cut up here, because I made it a little too long, and cut that straight across. Then what you'll do is you'll fold it in this way, and then you'll fold it like an arrow, and then you just bend this part down to make it straight across, and voila. You'll go ahead and tape that down so it won't move, and then we'll work on the next side. This side I did a little bit too long as well, so we're going to go ahead and take a little bit off the top. And then, as I stated earlier, just tuck that in and fold this down. Fold this side down. Bend this so it's straight across. There we go. And I did not take enough tape out, so we're going to take one more slip. And then we are going to go ahead and tape this. And voila, there you go. You have the perfect gift wrap from end to end, side to side. And that way you don't have to spend all that pricey money for someone to wrap it for you, and you can give them the perfect gift that looks perfect for any occasion. Thank you.